You know, today is topic S23 Ultra. Title: Unleash the Future with S23 Ultra, your ultimate contender. Product showcase description: Step into the future with the S23 Ultra, the ultimate contender in the world of cutting-edge technology. Are you ready to experience a new level of innovation that will redefine your smartphone experience? Look no further. Introducing the S23 Ultra. A stunning blend of power, performance, and style designed to cater to your every digital need. Unparalleled performance. With the lightning-fast Snapdragon 8 series processor, the S23 Ultra blazes through tasks effortlessly, giving you the power to multitask, game, and stream without any lag. Say goodbye to slow loading times and hello to seamless performance. Captivating camera tech. The S23 Ultra boasts an incredible quad camera setup that will elevate your photography game to new heights. Capture breathtaking landscapes, stunning portraits, and mesmerizing low-light shots with ease. The advanced AI features will make every shot Instagram-worthy. Mesmerizing display. Indulge your senses with the S23 Ultra's vibrant Super Amoled display. Lose yourself in the immersive visuals and enjoy your favorite content in true-to-life colors. Whether it's gaming, streaming, or browsing, the S23 Ultra's display takes entertainment to a whole new level. Smart features. Intuitive UI. The S23 Ultra comes loaded with smart features and an intuitive user interface that adapts to your needs. From seamless app navigation to personalized widgets, every aspect of the S23 Ultra is designed to make your digital life easier and more enjoyable. Security at its best. Rest easy with top-of-the-line security features, including an in-display fingerprint scanner and advanced facial recognition technology. Your data and privacy are safeguarded, ensuring only you have access to your smartphone. Join the S23 Ultra revolution. Experience the future of smartphones with the S23 Ultra. Watch the full product showcase to witness the power, style, and innovation that awaits you. Grab your S23 Ultra today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tech innovations and product reviews.